Hello Zeppelin users, now I will show you how to play Python in Zeppelin container. First, let's start the Zeppelin container via this command. Since I have already put the Zeppelin image, so it is pretty fast for me. But for you, if it is your first time to start Zeppelin container, it will be pretty slow because it will download the Zeppelin image. So just be patient. Now let's open Zeppelin in browser. Okay, this is the Zeppelin homepage. We can see that Zeppelin shipped with a lot of tutorial notes. Let's open the Python tutorial. So this is the IPython tutorial. We have already installed IPython and all the requirements in the Zeppelin container. The user experience of Python is almost the same as Jupyter. For example, here we can use this piece of code to get Python help. And this is another approach to get Python help. And we can also run the IPython magic function, for example, the time each. And the tab completion also works in Zeppelin. Zeppelin context is the advanced feature that you can use for advanced usages. For example, you can use Zeppelin context to create dynamic forms. Here we have example to use to create a text box using the Zeppelin context. And here we use the Zeppelin context to display a panda state frame. Now let's go to another example, the IPython visualization example. So we all know that there's many popular visualization library in Python, and most of them are supported in Zeppelin. For example, we can use matplotlib in Zeppelin. By the way, the usage of this library is the same as Jupyter. We can run the pandas example, the seaborn, and the plotline example, and the bouquet example. Okay, and the hollow views. This is hollow views. This is HV plot, and this is hot air. The last example is plotly. So this is pretty much about how to use Python in Zeppelin container. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.